Does it need an expert to install and maintain the device? Mobile antiviral air purifiers like these don't need an expert to set up. It's plug and play. Setting and programming works much like a digital alarm clock. The units tell you when the filter needs to be changed. Changing the filter takes less than 10 minutes per unit and only approximately every 2 years. Changing the filter is hardly any more difficult than changing a vacuum cleaner bag, so no service technician is required. We recommend standard safety precautions for the change, such as wearing disposable gloves and an FFP2 face mask. You can put the used filter in the packaging of the exchangeable filters and dispose of them in the household waste.